Some people here have said, well, actually the real competition for the sort of networks you establish, and I have to admit I don't quite understand this, but they say, well, the cloud is the competition.
Cloud is one competitor, but they're also a partner, and we collaborate with them.
You couldn't do the cloud without you, could you?
No, they need connectivity.
Yeah.
So if you think about why did the cell phone become so big? It was the connectivity. It's in a way, it's a low part of the value in the value chain, but it's a critical part. So if you take away connectivity, what would a smartphone be? It would be pretty dumb.
Well, that was going to be my final question. How does this all monetize? Where is the value? Where are people going to make money?
Yeah, we have been in a phase now on 4G where we pay subscriptions. Basically, we have paid a monthly fee, and we have gotten, it varies by country, but sometimes unlimited, sometimes very high data rates. We don't believe that's going to be the future model. That's going to be one part of the revenues for the operators going forward. But it needs to be complemented, and we need to actually start to pay when we use the extra resources in the network. So if you, for example, you run a surgical procedure, you want to make sure that you have low latency. Or if you have an ambulance connected and you want to make sure that you have the speed to transmit the X-ray, then you buy that as you consume it. And that's a change in the way you monetize a network. We think that's going to be critical for the whole industry and actually reshape the industry and the way we charge for the services. So you may end up as a consumer with a monthly subscription, but then as you buy new features, you're on a gaming console and you decide to do mobile gaming, you pay a bit extra.
You're going to be paying a lot more than you're paying at the moment?
But that's because you use new services.
And finally, I was watching the opening ceremony here with someone from America saying it would be impossible to have an opening ceremony in America where everyone's very gloomy about the economy and prospects for the future. What about Ericsson?
Oh, I'm very optimistic about the future. I think of course, there are always going to be short-term setbacks. Europe probably fighting, the US might be fighting in a recession, fighting other things as well. But I honestly think the world is going to be a better place in a few years' time than today, and that creates new opportunities.